Hey, good evening, guys. This is Officer Pierce, retired USCIS officer with over 10 years of experience. So I did this at the end of the last video, but I guess I should have done it at the beginning. So if you're enjoying this content and what I'm telling you is helping you and it's helping you get through the process, please hit the subscribe button. That really does help the channel. Also, if you hit the likes and or give a comment, that really helps the channel. For some reason, YouTube doesn't seem to push my content out as quickly. I've noticed that people tell me once my videos go live, it takes anywhere from 3 days to a week before it actually really gets out to the masses. So if you would definitely hit that like button and hit the subscribe, that really, really helps. So one of the things I'm seeing on some of the forums is they're talking about you've been a conditional resident, so you have a green card that's only 2 years. Oh, I'm not an attorney. I'm not practicing law. I'm just giving you information I have available to me. So if you've got a conditional card and it expires, you have to file an application to remove conditions. So once you do that, then you should get a letter that says that your card is extended for whatever amount of years. It changes periodically. Sometimes it's 2 years, sometimes it's 5 years. It just kind of depends. So if you get that letter, as long as you have your actual card, your letter and the card together are good. If you lose the card, the letter is no longer valid. So if you end up getting what's called an added stamp or a 551 in your passport or on what's called a 994, the letter doesn't make any difference. So you can't say, oh, because those stamps are only good for a year. So you can't say, oh, wait, I've got a letter that extends my stamp for 5 years. Nope, that's only the actual card that it extends. If you've got a stamp in your passport, it's only good for 1 year. So remember, if you've got a stamp, you have to renew that every year for travel. Or if your work is actually looking to know that you still have your resident status. It doesn't take away your resident status. It just shows that you are able to work. The other thing is, once you have your residence card, whether it's a 2-year or a 10-year, your work permit card, which is the I-765, is no longer needed. You don't need to renew that. You don't need to keep it up to date unless there's something with your employer that says that you need to do that. But if that's the case, definitely check with counsel, because that's what your residence card gives you. It gives you permission to work. I hope this has been helpful. Again, hit that subscribe button if you would, and also hit the like button. Hope you have a good day. If you have any more questions, please let us know.